Hi, in this video I would like to talk you through the features of the Starlight 2. The Starlight 2 is a nice tent for 2 persons. The tent features a low profile to increase wind resistance. The tent can be pitched outer first, which have the advantage that you don't have the inner tent exposed to rain in bad weather. The tent features 2 large vents, one on each end, and a nice porch for your personal equipment. The single pre-bent alloy pole is attached with pole sleeve on top and double clip-on hooks on the side. The pre-bent on the top also increase headroom space inside the tent. The fly sheet is made of Robins Hydrotex HD, which is a tough 75 denier polyester, PU coated on the inside. The fly sheet has a hydrostatic head of 5000 mm and is fire retardant. All seams on the fly sheet are fully taped to ensure waterproofness. Fast foot cup and tensioner for easy pitching. Each end of the tent has 2 pre-attached poles for easy pitching. The poles increase space in the foot and head area. The 2 poles create cover for the rainproof vents, which are located in each end of the tent. The tent features our StormGuard system, which wraps around the poles and increase strength and stability, and also reduce stress on the fabric. Guy line retainers holds folded guy lines securely when packing away and make sure they're not all tangled up next time you want to pitch the tent. All zip pullers on the tent are glow in the dark for easy use at night time. The inner tent features 2 large mesh ventilations, one in each end of the tent, which can easily be adjusted from the inside. Together with the roof ventilation and the low vent airflow system, you have a great ventilation in this compact tent. The tent has an adjustable gear rope for drying your clothes or storing small items, and 3 attachment points for hanging your torch. The inner tent features 2 mesh pockets for storing small items. To make sure that the tent lives up to our high standards, we test each tent design in our own wind and rain simulator. Our rain machine simulates real rainfall, and our tents are exposed to high wind from various sides in our wind simulator to test stability in extreme conditions.